with you? What is wrong with you?
What's up guys, welcome. So check this out. We are just about 3 weeks away from the Mobile World Congress 2019 in Barcelona. This is the biggest tech conference for smartphone geeks, and we are expected to see phones from big mobile companies like LG, Huawei, Motorola, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, BlackBerry, Sony, Nokia, ZTE and more. But in this video, we'll be looking at the upcoming LG device, the LG G8 ThinQ. I still don't know who came up with that name or why he hasn't been fired yet. It's such a weird name. ThinQ. Okay, back to the video. Smartphones have always been leaked before their launch, and this is no different. And the leaks already have us excited. Here's what we know so far. The LG V40 ThinQ that was released last year had a triple camera setup, so it would only make sense that LG includes a similar setup in its upcoming G8. But that doesn't seem to be the case with the leaked renders. They show that the phone has two camera lenses on its rear, which are most likely going to be an ultra-wide angle lens and a normal lens. If you zoom into the notch on the G8's images, you would notice that there's a lot more stuff going on in there than just a dual front camera system. This of course is no concrete evidence, but it's safe to assume that we're gonna get an iPhone-like face unlock feature. The LG G8 ThinQ is expected to have a 6.1-inch display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a notch, and the panel allegedly has a 4K resolution. This would be an overkill, as our eyes can't differentiate between a 2K panel and a 4K panel on a 6.1-inch display. I wouldn't take this leak too seriously though, as LG is said to have gone for an LCD panel instead of an OLED panel. I don't see why LG will opt for an LCD panel and give it a 4K resolution on a smartphone. If the rumors are true, LG G8 ThinQ will adopt a sound-emitting display, as seen in Samsung's bone conduction technology, to achieve that all-screen dream by maximizing the entire screen real estate. Since the leaked renders do not show an earpiece at the top of the phone, I believe there's a high possibility of this happening. I don't see why LG would want to go with this, as the phone clearly has a notch. Just put the earpiece in the notch, damn it! At the beginning of every year, Samsung always buys out the newest Qualcomm high-end processors, leaving other companies who want to release their devices in the first quarter of the year to rely on last year's processors, and this year wouldn't be any different. With Samsung expected to launch its S10 series on the 20th of this month, just before the MWC, LG would have to rely on the Snapdragon 845 for its G8 ThinQ, which means no 5G on this phone.
Talking about.
A recent leak that had certification documents from Brazil showed us that the LG G8 ThinQ has a bigger battery capacity than the G7 ThinQ at 3,400 mAh. This is by no means big enough by today's standards, but it's still the biggest battery LG has ever put on a G-series device.
Hell yeah! You're doing it good, buddy! Great job!
LG is expected to unveil the G8 ThinQ on the 24th of this month at MWC, and I will be providing you with all the latest leaks and updates. Please subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest leaks and updates about this phone and devices from other companies, and click the bell icon to get notified when I release another video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.